What's up, folks? Times Morning Update, April 22nd. About a 30-point range overnight. We gapped up, so that 03 half is going to be something to watch on the downside for ES. And then 67, 63. Below that, 37 could hold, but I think that it's going to be more of that 29, 31 area if we were to break this. I would assume today, no news, maybe a consolidation or higher. We cleaned up all these singles. We do have singles, but they're not for a ways down. So above 47, I could see above 47.50 would be good. Here's 64. And then you really have this 0305 level. We get above that 0305 level, and then it's off to the races. And then your 50 days holding right here exactly where the singles clean up from days ago. So we'll see if we're going to kind of consolidate bottom and move up, or if we're just going to continue moving down. I don't know. Pivots 08. Okay. 51, 53. I like R1. 76 is your 50 day. And then you have R2's right at 51.02, which is your POC for the 60-day volume imprint. 59.58, 49.13. These are decent today. Definitely keep an eye on them. So here's your daily, parked right at the 100, popped up. Now we're here. So we'll see if we consolidate here, move up, or bear flag and then down. I don't know. 200's down at 47.02. And of course, this is that low that bounced in October. So we'll see. We've got stuff coming up in May. No news today, but about a lot of earnings coming up this week, I think, of the big seven. So I would expect some movement. We lost 63, so that's that was last month's low. So last month never happened. And then 72, which is a huge area, 48.72. You have an open and close and a low on the monthly. So that's going to be a level I'm definitely watching if we were to get down there. But that's still, 100 points from where we're at here. Actually more than. So, or the 100 points from the low here. Your 63 was the low. So we will see. The prior month's February's POC was 72. So we kind of bounced off that. Again, do we make it back up to that 51.02 level? 05, or your monthly POC is at 54. So that's also if we were to erase all of this. And I don't know, man, anything can happen, but in my mind this is kind of in the sad zone. So I think that you're killing the dip buyers right now, and I'm not convinced that the downside's over, but I've got to stay nimble and figure, we ramped up this way. We're going to get to a point where they're going to try to defend it and ramp it back up. And is that today? I don't know. So we will see. So stay nimble. Try to stay unemotional and bias. Here's your weekly, right? Your tippy top and then your dump. So again, we had a dump here. And then we just... So, I don't know. This is kind of an interesting time. There's so much macro going on. I couldn't tell you what's going on. We tipped the 200 on the 15. That's an incredible indicator, by the way. So as of now, until we get over that 200 day on the 15, then this looks still in a downward trajectory, in my opinion. So, but definitely, I would bring that chart up. Euro down small, not recovering like I thought it might. So again, 06, we lose that, and then I think that's going to get ugly. Finally put tilt up here for you guys to look at. So that's definitely in a channel lower. We need this up or death, right? We lose that 82 level in the bonds, and you could have a credit event. So this is something I'm definitely watching. It's a little lower today, nothing substantial, but definitely something to keep an eye out on. Nvidia up, I don't know, about $6. Cash gap way up here, 51.99 to 75. There's the dog. 48.53, 48.54. So we don't have a cash gap down here until down here. So we'll have to see if that continues. Again, here's your 50-day, here's your 200-day. I don't know. ES is up 20 points. Dow's up 188 and NASDAQ's up 74. So we'll see if they give it a run on a bullish side today and try to save face. I mean, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, what is that, 6, 7 days down. So I would assume there would be a reprieve today, but that reprieve could just be a consolidation day. I don't know. We'll have to see. I'll be in and out today, but should be around most of the week.